Hello and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video. And in this video, I'll show you how you can format the DAX code. So whenever we are writing a very long DAX code, it becomes unreadable if we are not formatting it. So in this video, I want to show you a very quick way of how you can format the DAX code. So with that, just before I show you quick information that this sheet which you are showing here, where I am keeping a record of my all Power BI tutorial videos with that title and with the link, so that you can come over here and search any of the tutorial based on your need and jump to the tutorial based on the link that is present in column B. And this live Google Sheet link is present in the description, so you can access it easily. Also, since it is live sheet, all of my future videos will be updated here. So whenever you have a need to find any particular video, or you want to create your own learning plan based on my videos, you can create it using this sheet, or you can keep it as a bookmark. So whenever you need any specific solution, and you can search here for those tutorials. With that, let me go to the Power BI. So here we are in the Power BI, and this is the code that we have. As you can see, we are using this one function, then another function, the argument in the function, and then another function inside that, after some conditions, and another function. So it becomes, really difficult to read it. Let's say if you are looking your own code after 3 months or 6 months, right? So the way ideally you should do this is basically create all of this code into multiple lines. So the way I will do this is by pressing the shift enter over here. Then I will just keep the orders, but I keep the second argument over here, and then I will keep the ampersand, and I will keep the third argument over here, and then I will just close the filter here, then this one here, and I will just press the tab. So that's one way how you can basically format the code manually, if based on some of the standard practices, or some of the ways which at least I follow for formatting my code, so that I keep all of my function into different rows, so that I can read it. Okay, after count rows, I'm using filters. In that, my table is this, my first condition is this, and my second condition is this. Think about this: if you have like 4 conditions or 5 conditions, your code becomes completely unreadable. But in this way, you can very clearly understand this. So that's one way how you can do that. But if I just put it in a original condition, where we had this everything in the one line. So I want to show you another very quick and easy way by which you can format your code. So suppose this is your code, you copy this entirely, come over here, and here type this website DAX formatter. If you see over here, daxformatter.com. So over here, this DAX formatter is the website which is from the SQL BI, another very technical and advanced block for the Power BI. So you can come over here. As you can see, I just clicked it and I paste my code over here, and I click format. So once I click the format, my DAX code is now formatted as per the DAX standards, right? So what they have done is, down there, if you see, you have these creators of this website, where you can get some intro of DAX formatter if you want to go a little bit more in advance, more in depth. But all in all, what you can do is copy your code, come here and click it. Simply after that, you can copy this, right? Or copy HTML, save as docx, so on and so forth. And you come here in the Power BI and you can paste it, right? So that way you can see your code is, even what I showed you earlier, it is slightly more formatted or better formatted than what manually I did. So when you are doing manually, you may or may not follow these particular DAX standards to format the code. But in this case, this website, what I find it very helpful. So I wanted to make sure that I share with you so that you know how to easily format your code without much of a manual thing. So for a couple of lines it is fine, but if your number of lines is, let's say, 8 lines, 10 lines, or even 15 lines, who knows, right? So you can then format your code very easily. So that's about it, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.